which isn't wrong, but I'm going to show you how to fix the galvanized plumbing so you don't have to replace the whole line. So what we did, we got the piping back to its nominal size. So then you want to take a dresser coupling here, right? And then what we're going to do, we cut out a little space here. So we're going to put one nut on and let's scoot it back, and let's see if we can't. This is where the skill comes in. So you got one side on, and we already took the channel locks and we got the plumbing pipe back to its nominal size. That way you could actually stick on your dresser coupling. Or some people call it repair coupling. So next you want to do is you want to put your metal nut on, the metal ring, and then your rubber coupling. Eye washer, whatever you want to call it. So if you don't get the pipe back to the regular size, you're not going to be able to get the nut on or any of this. Okay, so we're going to slide on. That's kind of loose there, it looks like. So what we're going to do here, we're actually going to put a little Teflon tape on this and a little pipe dope. Let me grab it and a couple pair of channel locks. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to put some Teflon tape on here, and then I got some Teflon paste. So here's what we want to do. We're going to take a little dirt out, right? And then, you know, try not to get too much. We're going to wrap the pipe a little bit with a little Teflon tape. This is just security, you know, insurance. You can't beat this Teflon tape. Like I said, it's insurance in the business. Okay, we got one side. So let's go ahead, and here's your hole right there. So let's do the other side. And anytime you're putting Teflon tape on, you know, it's actually code for male fittings. You know, you always want to put the tape on the way you're screwing the fitting into the joint. That way it doesn't. So if you're screwing it clockwise, you want to put the tape on clockwise. Okay. So next here we're going to take a little Teflon paste and we're going to put it on the washers here. You know, just a little security. You know, we're saving about, you know, $1,000 by doing this here. Until we can save some money up, we can actually do it, you know, the correct way. So let's put a little Teflon paste on here. Okay, and then here's the hard part, getting your dresser coupling on. So what you want to do, once you get this on, you're not going to know where the center is. So you want to get something, you kind of want to mark to where you cut the pipe out, so you know basically where the center of your dresser coupling is. Okay, so what we're going to do here, so let's go ahead and put this baby on. Okay, you push that washer back a little bit. All right, there we go. So like I said, we want to center it up on this pipe because we know that's where the center is. So let's take some dirt off here. Yeah, we're gonna have to change this pretty soon. And we just, hopefully, sometimes you gotta do this, you know, more than once if it's still leaking further back. So what we'll do then is we'll cut another portion out, use 2 dresser couplings, and then put a piece of galvanized pipe in the middle, you know, a new piece. But before we do that, let's see if this won't do it. You know, we're gonna take a little stress off the pipe here, so we're gonna dig out some dirt out from underneath it. Okay? All right, so here's the center. So let's start one at a time. And like I said, we got threads here, so we want to put some Teflon paste on it. And this is basically how you fix, you know, galvanized pipe in the ground. You know, if it was above the ground, we just replace it with, you know, new either brass or galvanized pipe. But since we don't want to replace the whole system because we don't have the money, we're going to repair it like this. So let's do one side at a time. There we go. Let's get that started up. Make sure you got it in the center. And now we want to do the other side. Yeah, same thing. Always, this is insurance. It's like Geico in the plumbing business. Let's put a little Geico on here. We're actually going to save about, probably about 80% here by, doing this repair instead of replacing it. So we're actually a little better. All right, so what we're going to do here is, let's go ahead and push this down so you don't have no stress on it. Get it started up. Okay. All right. So what you want to do, you want to hold back. And what's called, anytime you're working with any kind of galvanizing or something, you always want to hold back. And that's when you're tightening one side, you're holding back with the other. So we're going to use this right here. We're going to hold back here, right here. And I'm going to press down a little bit so I take the pressure off. And then we're going to tighten it up. Okay. This pipe's pretty bad, but like I said, we're just doing this as a temporary repair to where we can save some money and actually replace the whole thing, because that's basically what it needs to do. So, okay, let's take some off here. Yeah, we are. Got a lot of stress on that pipe there, so let's do the other side now a little bit. So, want to hold back. And let's tighten this side up. Okay, so let's tighten this side up. Always put your pliers the way they're supposed to go. So we're going to hold back this way. So. Okay, say a little prayer. And let's see if we're going to have to cut it again or see if this is going to hold it. And we might have to take it apart maybe one time. Wow. So we're not sure here if it's going to hold yet, so we're going to wait till it gets pressurized. And it might not work the first time, every time, so, you know, most important is making sure the pipe is back down to the nominal size. We're pressurizing the line right now. So you can get these dresser couplings in different sizes.
That's a rat.
Oh, hold on just a second. Yeah, she's holding. This is the rock and roll of New Mexico, Plumber Ken. Legacy Plumbing Service. Give me a call. Grab it.